Hey beauties, welcome to my channel. Today I'm super excited to unbox and review the waterproof makeup kit combo for women and girls, a 15-piece set that's got all the essentials for a full glam look in one incredible package. This kit promises waterproof, long-lasting makeup, so let's dive in and see if it delivers. First up, the packaging. It's sleek and compact, perfect for travel or keeping your vanity organized. Starting with the eyeshadow palette, it's loaded with vibrant shades from creamy mattes to dazzling shimmers, perfect for any vibe, day or night. I swatched a few and the pigmentation is solid, a little fallout but blends out beautifully with a brush. I did a quick smoky eye and it's stunning. Next, the 12-piece makeup brush set. These brushes are soft and sturdy with no shedding. I used the big fluffy one for powder and the smaller ones for eyeshadow. They make application a breeze. The kajal is jet black and creamy. I lined my waterline and it stayed put all day. No smudging here. Then the 3-in-1 combo, eyeliner, mascara, and brow gel in one. Super handy, and the black is bold, making my eyes pop instantly. The false eyelashes add instant drama. Easy to apply and reusable too. Now the red edition lipstick. This shade is a classic red with a smooth finish that lasts hours, perfect for a bold lip moment. The foundation is lightweight with good coverage. It evens out my skin tone without feeling heavy. The primer smooths my pores and the loose powder sets my base with a matte finish, no shine even after hours. Finally, the makeup fixer, a quick spritz, and my look is waterproof and sweatproof. I tested it and it held up like a champ. This kit is amazing for beginners or anyone wanting an affordable all-in-one. It's not luxury, but for the price it's a steal. Want to see it in action? Stay tuned for my next video where I'll create a full waterproof look. If you're loving this hit, that like button, subscribe, and drop a comment.